In this tutorial, we'll show you how to watch YouTube while playing Roblox. If you find this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. The first step is enabling picture-in-picture. First, open Settings in your device, scroll down and tap General, then look for picture-in-picture and make sure it is enabled. Up next is setting up the YouTube background play. You can do this by opening the YouTube app, clicking the profile icon in the bottom right. Keep in mind, if you're outside of the United States, you will need YouTube Premium to play videos in the background. In the US, some videos may work without Premium, but Premium guarantees access. If you do have Premium though, tap the settings gear in the top right, go to playback and make sure picture-in-picture is auto-enabled. Whether you have Premium or not, you'll want to hit the settings gear in the top right, scroll down to playback and make sure picture-in-picture is enabled. Up next, find a video that you would like to watch and start playing it. Then swipe up or go to the home screen. The video will shrink into a small floating window. With that YouTube video still playing in picture-in-picture mode, go ahead and open up Roblox and start your game. If the video pauses like it did for me, just go ahead and hit play and it'll automatically resume it. If the video keeps pausing when you enter a game, it may be due to Roblox's voice chat. To fix this, go to your Roblox privacy settings and turn voice chat off.